Neil, welcome to my bathroom. Today I'm doing this here. This is the OptiPlus anti-fog lens wipe. So if you see, I got my glasses. I got the strap on the back just because they're too wide and they keep falling off. But like you see, it fogs up and it's just annoying. And if I'm wearing masks and stuff like that, it's a pain in the butt. So we're gonna try these things out and give it a shot and see how it goes. So here's a little package. Let's open it up. And it's kind of like a little wet wipe, like one of those little sanitizing hand wipes. It's got a little bit of wetness to it. It's not super wet, but let's see if this works. If this works, it's all wet. Okay. If it works, it'll be freaking amazing because man, these masks are killing me. Why is it so dirty? If you look at it, it really got wet. There we go. I think I just need to wipe in one direction to get it clean. Okay, so there. Okay, so there, I've wiped it off. So there's clear. And now, wow, it does work. It fogs up for just a second and then it goes away. And wow, super clean. So there we go. So I'm giving this a thumbs up. So these are the OptiPlus anti-fog lens wipes. Let's see how it lasts after wearing this for a few hours and wearing my mask out for the day. We'll see. Hopefully it'll keep it from fogging because this is driving me crazy. If you have glasses, you know what I'm talking about. So thumbs up for me. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Oh, the link for this is in the description too. So be sure and click that and pick one up for yourselves. This is a huge bag, 100 of them.